Some plants seem to slow down even when you water them regularly. Sometimes a simple homemade mixture can give the soil a gentle boost and help your plants look healthier over time. Start with 1 liter of warm water in a clean container. Add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast and stir well. Yeast can support beneficial microbial activity in the soil, helping create a healthier environment around the roots. Now add half a tablespoon of sugar and stir until it completely dissolves. The sugar gives the yeast an energy source and helps activate the mixture. Let it sit for about 2 hours at room temperature. Once ready, pour a small amount of this fertilizer around the base of each plant. There's no need to soak the soil, just a small amount around each plant is enough. This gentle feeding can support soil activity and help plants maintain stronger, greener growth when combined with proper light, watering, and healthy soil. Repeat this treatment about once every 2 weeks and always avoid overwatering. Give your plants time to respond naturally. Try it on a few plants first and watch how they respond. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.